and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have a laundry challenge for you guys. I haven't done one of these in a long time. If you don't know what a laundry challenge is, it's something that I came up with a few months ago or several months ago. And what it is you time yourself 7 minutes per load of laundry, and that is folding, hanging up the clothes, and putting them away. I used to struggle really bad. I used to struggle so bad with folding and putting the clothes away. I would do okay with folding them, but putting them away was just such a task for me. So now that I've come up with the laundry challenge, it has helped me tremendously to stay on top of my laundry. So today I have 2 loads of clothes for you guys, and I will show those to you right now. So here are the 2 loads of clothes I have. There's a load of towels because I do separate my clothes, and this is a load of dark clothes. So I'm giving myself 14 minutes, and also I do have these baskets. These baskets right here I use because I have 4 kids, if you didn't already know. So this is for my son Herschel, my daughter Lucy, my daughter Molly, and Anna. And these are some spare socks that were from a load of clothes that I had folded up maybe 2 or 3 days ago. And so I knew that I was going to be folding up dark clothes, and I was hoping to find the matches. Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer and let's get started.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you.
So I did finish with a few seconds to spare. There are my baskets. Thankfully, my 2 older kids put their clothes away. That's the way we do things in this house. And I'm not responsible for putting them in the drawers. They are. So of course they helped me with this laundry challenge. So if you like videos like this, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you think that this might be something you'd be interested in trying, then definitely give the laundry challenge a try and let me know how it goes. Definitely tag me in your video and let me know. Also follow me on Instagram at Greenish Katie. You can find it in my description down below as well. And let me know if you guys do the laundry challenge. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.
You got a smile that makes the sun